Hello everybody, welcome to our channel. I'm Mark, and in this video I'm going to show you what's the best way to grow an avocado from seed. I would imagine a lot of people searching on YouTube are going to be searching how to grow an avocado from seed and asking the question, what's the best way to grow the avocado from seed? Well, in this video I'm going to show you two methods of growing an avocado from seed. The more popular version, which is on YouTube, is where you have the glass and the cocktail sticks. And I'm going to show you a second version going back to nature, and we will see which one produces the best results and what I think, in my opinion, is the way to go. But firstly, you need to start off with an avocado. Now, I've just bought this today. In French it's known as an avocado en pointe, which means it's ready to eat. Rather than being very hard, this is quite soft, and that's the best type to use when growing an avocado from seed. Get one that's quite soft, guys. I'm going to pass you over to Naomi, and she's going to demonstrate how to remove the seed from the avocado. And stick around to the end and you'll see how we enjoy eating avocado, either as a dessert or just as a healthy snack. It's very popular on YouTube now, but I remember doing this back in 1985 when working in the city. All the guys in the offices were growing their avocados from seed, and it was just an office thing. And once the plants had started, we'd take them home and grow them at home. So in this video I'm going to show you all the stages of growing an avocado from seed. Okay guys, I'll pass you over to Naomi. She's going to show you how to extract the seed from the avocado. Simple as that. Okay guys, it's very easy to grow an avocado from seed. You just need an avocado seed, some toothpicks, and a cup or jar to contain the water. It's as simple as that. Now, once you've cleaned your avocado seed, make sure you know where the top and bottom is. That's actually the top, which was attached to the tree, and the bottom just here. And when you plant this, you have to make sure that the top's at the top and obviously the bottom's at the bottom. Now, the first thing to do, as I've said, we've cleaned the avocado seed. We just need to peel away the brown membrane first, and you can use your nails for this, and it's basically like peeling an orange. So we just peel away the brown skin. As you can see, it comes off pretty easy. Okay guys, the skin's been removed from the avocado seed, so we're ready for the next stage. You'll notice there's a few lines, and these will be the cracks that appear when you plant the avocado seed. So when we place the cocktail sticks, make sure you don't place them in the cracks, okay? So take your cocktail stick, and you want to do it about 2/3 of the way up. So that's the top that was attached to the tree, that's the bottom, and place the cocktail stick at an angle into the seed. And we need 3 of these. So again, avoiding the crack there, place another one in. And then the final. Okay, so that's the avocado seed prepared, and the reason we've done it at an angle is so that when you place it in a jar of water, the top of the avocado seed will remain out of the water while the bottom is underwater, and that's what's going to start the process off. So let's just fill this up with water and I'll show you that part. Okay guys, just filled the jar up with water, and as you can see, the top remains above the water level while 2/3 of the avocado is below. So I'm going to place this on a nice sunny windowsill, and I'll come back in a week's time to let you see how it's progressing. And that's how easy it is to grow an avocado from seed. Okay guys, on with the second method of how to grow an avocado from seed and what's the best way to grow an avocado from seed. Before I show you this second method, let's think about what happens in nature. There's basically a cycle of life with the avocado. The avocado comes from an avocado tree. That tree grows, produces flowers, those flowers then go on to produce the fruit. Some fruit is picked for human consumption, others may be missed, fall to the floor, the fruit rots, and the stone or seed will germinate and produce a new avocado tree. And that's the cycle of nature. Now in nature, there isn't a glass filled with water and 3 cocktail sticks. So what I'm going to do is just follow nature. I've already got a pot prepared, just with potting compost, and literally I'm going to place the avocado seed in the potting compost and cover it so that only 1/3 of the stone or seed is above soil level. Now I can understand why the glass way is so popular. It looks cool. You know, you get to see the roots growing and then the stem comes up, and I think it's just a cool sort of thing to do. What you don't see with those videos though is no one shows you repotting the avocado tree from the glass to a pot. Is that because there's so much stress involved with the plant and the plant dies? I don't know, because you don't get to see it. But here I'm copying nature. It's not going to be so cool because we're not going to see the root system growing, but it'd be interesting to see whether the avocado tree starts growing from the top at the same time as the one in the glass. And the good news is this is already in a pot. It doesn't have to be repotted. There's no stress involved. And once it does outgrow this pot, the root system's going to be so strong, the plant's going to be so strong that it's just going to be easy to repot to a larger pot. I'm going to place this in the same windowsill as the avocado seed that's growing in the glass, and we'll see a direct comparison to which method of growing an avocado from seed works best. Okay guys, a little update on growing avocados from seed. 2 weeks in, and this is the avocado grown in the water in the jar, and as you can see it's split. However, there's no split at the bottom yet and there's no roots coming through, but as you can see things are happening. And if we move across, the same has happened with the avocado seed in the soil. Split at the top. Obviously I can't see what's happening below, but as you can see it's at the same stage as the avocado seed in the water, so both avocado seeds are germinating at the same rate. Okay guys, short update on growing avocados from seed. Here's the avocado growing in the water with cocktail sticks, and if we just lift this up you can see we have a root forming. So we're about 5 weeks in guys, and if we move over to the avocado growing in the soil, obviously we can't see what's going on below the soil, so it's just a case of waiting to see which avocados start sprouting above ground first. But there we are, short update on growing avocados from seed. Hi everybody, welcome back to how to grow an avocado from seed and what's the best method of growing an avocado from seed. And as you can see we have an upright stem coming from above the avocado grown in water with the cocktail stick method. And it's got a nice root system. One thing I didn't mention when I started this video was, just to make it fair, we actually started growing 4 avocado seeds, 2 with each method, just to make it fairer. So the first one to grow a shoot was the avocado growing in water with the cocktail sticks. The other 2 in the soil split after the one that you've just seen. We can't see obviously what's going on below ground, and as yet there's no upright shoot coming up, or on this one. This one looks like it's going to happen very soon though, because the crack's got quite wide. And it may surprise you, but the other avocado growing in water with the cocktail sticks is actually the last one to crack, to split. This only split last week. So it just goes to show they all develop at different times. So we'll see which one shoots next, be it the one in the soil or the one in the water. I'll keep you updated, guys, on which is the best method of growing an avocado. Okay guys, here's an update of the how to grow an avocado from seed. And in fourth place currently is the avocado grown from cocktail sticks in a jug of water. It's split, but no signs of an upright shoot or any root system as yet. We then move over to third place, and we have an avocado seed that's growing in soil, and that's started to shoot. In second place, we have another avocado seed that's growing in a pot of soil. That's about 15 centimeters tall now. And in first place, the avocado seed grown in water with the cocktail sticks. It's got a lovely root system. We don't know obviously what the root system's like within the soil pots. And this one is about 40 centimeters tall. Hello guys, welcome back to what's the best way to grow an avocado seed. Whether it's best to grow an avocado seed using the cocktail stick method with a jug of water, or whether it's best to grow an avocado seed directly in the soil. Okay, I guess you could say, in first place, we have the avocado grown with a cocktail stick method in the jug of water. This was the first avocado to split. We couldn't tell obviously which was the first to do the roots, but this was the first plant to throw up a stem. And as you can see, it has a very extensive root system. So that's ready to plant now. In second place, we have the avocado seed grown directly in the soil. And in third place, another avocado seed grown directly in the soil. And it may surprise you, but in fourth place we have another avocado grown with the cocktail sticks directly in water. And this, although split probably 2 or 3 weeks ago, has only just started to throw out its roots. So, what's the best way to grow an avocado from seed? I guess if you've got children, this one's the most exciting because you get to see the root system. However, just through practicality, my preference is to grow the avocado directly in the soil because I haven't got to repot it. The one thing I will say, guys, every time I watered the avocados in the jars, I watered the avocados directly in soil as well. So this soil always remained damp, never dried out. I was topping this water up every other day or every day in some instances, so they got water at the same time. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video on what's the best method of growing an avocado from seed. If you haven't already, please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit that red button so you don't miss any future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Take care, bye bye. Once the avocado flesh has been removed from the skin, it's now a case of just mashing it with the back of a fork. Mash it until all the lumps are gone, guys, and you've got a nice smooth consistency. I mentioned all the guys in the offices were growing avocados back in '85. That's because we were all having bacon and avocado sandwiches, and the sandwich shop would give us their avocado seeds to grow. Okay, once it's all mashed, add a little bit of honey. mix together. And now it's ready to enjoy.